Hello, good morning. My name is Jose Luis Sanchez Rios, and I'm going to talk about the importance in United Kingdom of the automobile market. I'm going to present the next presentation. The UK cars industry is considered one of the star players of the local economy in recent years. The total production of this sector has fell at 16% since 2010 and has over 8 billion in investment in the industry between 2013 and 2017. Cars in the UK have always had investors waiting to get into the shareholding of brands, as is the case with Toyota, which bought Jaguar. That is the first picture. And the other case is Land Rovers bought the RollsRoyce and BMW bought Mini. But this may be about to end. Major UK agencies. Mini. If you do not know what a Mini Cooper is, an emblematic car and a mile-wide in English car. If you have recently been a fan of the Mini, you may be unaware that this is not a car of BMW origins. The brand that currently marketed between 1959 and 20s. The original Mini was manufactured by the British Motor Company. The English design and manufactured the Mini is response to a major fuel crisis in the United Kingdom in the late 1915. Experts confirm that this model is one of the English classic cars that has suffered the fewest variations and furthermore, with the problems of traffic and parking in large cities, has experienced a new boom that to its high performance and a little space in coupes. Aston Martin's always, and without exception, Aston Martin's cars are synonymous with exclusive design and sport lines. Since 1931, the manufacture of luxury cars to compete with other European brands such as Ferrari or Porsche are the objectives of this brand. The Aston Martins are not for everyone. They are exclusive to sedan, golf, or sport car designs to enjoy sporty driving, where speed is always present. Among its most popular model, the DB9, the James Bond DB5, or the Vantage. Bentley. Motors Limited is a luxury cars manufacturer founded in England on January 18, 1918 by Walter Owen Bentley. Undoubtedly, one of the greatest advantages of luxury cars, there are very colorful vehicles, but in terms of small details and in terms of their designs, ergonomics and materials, which is why there are much less vulnerables over the years. The next presentation is important to talk about the past in United Kingdom, the importance of the automotive in United Kingdom, and in that situation I'm going to talk about the Rolls-Royce 20 HP. But not all inventions in the UK were known. The early British vehicles of the late 19th century were mainly based on developments in Germany and France. By 19, however, the first all-British four-wheeled car has been designed and built by Herbert Hostin and machines manager of the Wolseley Sharing Company. In 1901, backed by Vickers Lamite, brothers Colonel Tom and Albert Vickers, Austin started what became Wallace Motor Limited in Birmingham and the UK's largest car manufacturer until Ford in 1930. Rolls-Royce 10 HP is the first picture in the presentation. Uh, in conclusion, the automotive industry is currently one of the most important in our economy, as it is essential for regional development, job creation, and for exchange earning. Reasons why. As of the last week of May, products were allowed to resume their operation when the industry was declared an essential activity. Thanks for all.